Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you are new to my channel, this is normally not something I would post, and I did make a post the other day, so I'm just going to elaborate on that a little bit more. This week I started seeing this megaphone pattern. It's a rare pattern that is forming in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And I started really inspecting this because it caught my attention. Look at these spikes and look at where they happen. The deepest dip was in March of 2020, and I started measuring this out. And what I found was in time zone 5, which I marked from yesterday, which is May 28th, 5.28. It's a Fibonacci number. Biden just passed the $6 trillion budget plan. This is big news, really big news. And I think that affects what's going to happen next. So I drew my time zone 5, which lines up on May 28th. And here's what I think is going to happen. I think starting July 1st or 2nd, if we flip over to an inverse index, such as this HIBS chart, you will start to see we are building a fractal here. In the second part of this fractal, what we see here in this volatile chart that is the inverse of the S&P, I think what we're seeing here is the 200-day and 50-day exponential moving averages are about to cross. And when that happens, it's called a golden cross. I've set this to be about July 1st or 2nd. July 2nd is actually my 10th anniversary. But you can see here in this stochastic chart, June, we're going to start moving down. You can see the blue signal is below. I mean, that's bearish. We're going to be moving below, and about July 2nd is when we're going to make our way to the peak here, and that's going to start the fall. We look back at this one. I've calculated the Fibonacci, and I believe on time zone 5, 5.28 is going to be about August 8th or 9th. And I know this seems crazy. I am not a financial advisor. Please don't take this as financial advice. I'm a designer and developer. I'm just studying the patterns here, and just unbelievable. So this is my prediction. I think golden cross happening July 1st or 2nd, and that's when June is gonna go red here. If we look at the monthly view, like I had in my previous video, if we look at the monthly view, it really condenses it. And you can see we've been going up like crazy. There's no way, there's no rational reason we're going up. There's no way we've recovered. So this is the last green candlestick where we are hovering. We are indecisive right here, finishing up May. Big things are happening with the $6 trillion proposal, all the debt, the crazy amounts of inflation. I think June is going to show us red, and I think we are going to have our big fall. If we flip over to the VXX, which mimics the VIX volatility chart, this parabolic fractal is forming. And you can see we had this massive spike. I'm zoomed out too much. That was from 08, 09. You can see we had our peak spike March 20, and you can see that megaphone happening here again. And here's where we're going. So I think we're going to get a spike around here. It's going to be even bigger than last time. So I just want everybody to be prepared and get ready for this. So some of these charts and ideas I have posted on my TradingView. I'll post the link in the description. But I find it fascinating, the numerology of these numbers in the Fibonacci. So 528 was yesterday, May 28th, Friday, and that's going to be the trigger that offsets this 528 Fibonacci sequence. It's crazy. It's hard to believe. If this actually happens, I guess time will tell. My next prediction, according to this chart, is looking at about May of 2023. So get ready if that's how this Fibonacci sequence is playing out. Everybody take care, and thanks for watching.